here to show you the new EMT product. This is the electronic muscle tester. This part here comes with a output cable and a output port so that you can connect it with a standard digital storage oscilloscope, which is also available from turbomagnetics.com. First thing in the muscle test you want to do is do a control test. This is where you check for your sensitivity. So what you want to do is have a look and see where you can put the needle without too much strain here, okay? And it looks like 30 is our maximum strength there. And see, this records both the amplitude and the duration of the test. Okay, so you can see each test is about 3 seconds long. So we'll do one more control test. And now we'll take like an orange and have a look at that and see what our strength range is there. Looks like I'm a little stronger with an orange. At least it had more amplitude. So we'll stop it right there. And see, we had a more strength, possibly a little less duration. So there's our control, and there's our actual test.